Do roof baskets make a lot of wind noise? Have you ever wondered if adding a roof basket to your truck or 18-wheeler will turn your ride into a noisy adventure? Let's break down the facts about roof baskets and wind noise. Roof baskets can indeed create a noticeable amount of wind noise, especially when you are driving at higher speeds. The design of these baskets is often less aerodynamic compared to the smooth surfaces of your truck. When air hits the roof basket, it causes turbulence, leading to vibrations that you can hear inside the cab. The main reason for this noise is the aerodynamic drag that occurs as air flows over the basket. Unlike the streamlined shape of your truck's roof baskets usually have open frameworks or raised edges. These features disrupt the airflow, causing swirling currents that produce a whistling or roaring sound. At lower speeds, such as under 40 miles per hour, you might not even notice the noise. However, once you hit speeds of 40 to 45 miles per hour, the wind noise becomes more pronounced. This can continue to be an issue at highway speeds, which can reach 70 miles per hour or more. For truck drivers and 18-wheeler operators, this noise can lead to discomfort and even driver fatigue over long distances. If you are concerned about wind noise from your roof basket, there are several ways to reduce it. One effective method is to add wind fairings or deflectors. These accessories are designed to smooth out the airflow over the basket, which can significantly cut down on noise. Another option is to wrap the crossbars or edges of the basket with materials like paracord or bungee cords. This can help disrupt the wind flow and minimize whistling sounds. It is also essential to ensure that all components and cargo are tightly secured. Loose items can flap in the wind, creating additional noise. If you find that certain crossbars or rails are unnecessary, consider removing or repositioning them. These parts can often contribute significantly to the noise level. Additionally, choosing a roof basket with a more aerodynamic design can help reduce air turbulence and, consequently, noise. For truck owners, balancing the utility of a roof basket with noise considerations is key. While these baskets provide extra storage for cargo or equipment, they can also increase wind resistance and noise. It is important to weigh the benefits of added space against the potential for increased noise and fuel consumption. In summary, roof baskets do tend to create a lot of wind noise due to their shape and structure. The noise is more noticeable at higher speeds, but there are practical steps you can take to reduce it. By improving the aerodynamic performance of your roof basket and securing all parts firmly, you can enjoy the extra storage without the extra noise.